Hi, I'm Dean Edwards, and in today's video recipe, I'm going to show you how to make slow roasted pork belly with perfect crispy crackling. The first thing we're going to do is make a trivet for our meat. So I'm going to chop an onion. This is going to help us create the most incredible gravy at the end. Pop these into the base of your tray. It's going to add so much flavour. And now it's time for the meat. So here, I've got a beautiful pork belly. It's about 1.4 kilos. Now, I've asked the butcher to score the skin for me. This is really important if you want to get that real crispy crackling. Cuts are really, really important because they allow us to get that salt right in between. And that really is the key to getting the best, crispiest crackling you've ever seen. I'm going to keep the pork on top of the rack. I'm going to pop it into my baking tray. Now it's time to get the salt and the oil right in there. So, grab yourself some good olive oil. And drizzle away. Get that rubbed right into the skin. And now it's time for the salt. Grab yourself a really good pinch of sea salt and sprinkle that on. Make sure you rub the salt right in between the cuts. Now this is ready for the oven, set at 240, gas mark 9 for 25-30 minutes. But before I do that, I'm just going to pour a really nice glug of water into the bottom of the tray, as this will stop the vegetables from burning and create a little bit of steam. This joint looks pretty damn good already. Now check this out. Can you hear that? It does need time to cook through though, so it's going to go back into an oven, set at 160, a gas mark 3 for around 2 hours, just to cook through really, really nice and slow. I need you to see how good this looks. Now there is one more cooking stage. I'm going to crank the oven back up to 240, gas mark 9. I'm going to give it around another 10 minutes just to make sure that crackling is absolutely as crisp as it possibly can be. Now I know you're waiting for the money shot, but the real secret to perfect crispy crackling really starts with a good quality piece of belly of pork. So go to your butchers, make sure you source the best quality meat that your money can buy. Now, check this out. I know this is what you've been waiting for. Right, here's that money shot I promised you. Look at that. And there it is, the secret to the perfect pork crackling. Now if you like this recipe, make sure you like the video and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next week for some more proper food.